youthfully with great energy. They are giving a great salute and respect to today's our special director.
जहाँ नहीं है कोई वहाँ
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
With the melodious voice, the sound, the rhythm, being invited our special today's honorable director sir, along with the director sir, our principal is there, all the cabinet members going to be elected today, especially in this today's very glamorous way. All the cabinet members very youthfully with great energy. They are giving a great salute and respect to today's our special director sir as a chief guest along with our principal sir. Here very with a great respect they are reaching towards us. This is a great compassion that passion that source and looks in front of us. We can very well, we can imagine and we can clearly see in front of us. They are willingly coming and taking their responsibility. That is a great effectiveness. Effectiveness that always goes to right time in order to maintain the betterment of our students' lives. This is a great opportunities to take a great opportunities for the betterment of students. All the staff members, along with all the newly going to be elected new cabinet ministers, and all the dear and beloved students, once again, on the behalf of complete St. Xavier's family, a very good morning in this investiture ceremony. So let us have an effective view about today's investiture ceremony by a short introduction. The school cabinet members serve as the leadership body for the students' community, acting as a bridge between students, teachers, and administration. Comprising dedicated representatives, the cabinet ministers always promote collaboration, organizing school events, and also addressing students' needs. And also addressing the primary goal is to foster a positive and inclusive school environment where every student thrives or blooms. I express today some of the basic functions of a school cabinet like mainly leadership development. It always encourages students take initiative and development leadership skills. Student representation, it always acts as the voice of the students' body, presenting their ideas, concerns to the administration. Environment management, it plans and executes culture, academic, and sports events and enrich school life. Collaboration, it always fosters teamwork among students, teachers, or staff. Supportive environment, it always promotes inclusivity, well-being, and sense of community well-being within the school, and welfare, the betterment of our school community. That the messages come comes in our life for the betterment of all of us that enrich to our entire life. Hereby now I call the staff.
Holy Gospel reading according to St. Matthew, chapter 13, verses 44 to 52. At that time, Jesus said to crowds, "The kingdom of heaven is like treasure hidden in field, which a man found and covered up. Then, in his joy, he goes and sells all that he has and buys that field. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a merchant in search of ears, who on finding a one ears of great value, went and sold all that he had, bought it. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like net that was thrown into the sea and gathered a piece of every kind. When it the good of containers, but threw away the good. So it will be at the end of the age. The angel will come out and spread the evil from the righteous and throw them into the furnace. In that place there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. Have you understood all these things? They said to him, Yes. And he said to them, Therefore every scribe who has been trained for the kingdom of heaven is like a master of house, who bring out the treasure, what is new and what is old. This is the gospel of the Lord.
जहाँ जहाँ है हरियाली वहाँ मुझे तू लिए चला। तू है स्वामी तू चरवाह निगाह मुझ पे तेरी सदा। जहाँ बहे झरना मीठा वहाँ मुझे तू लिए चला। जहाँ बहे झरना मीठा वहाँ मुझे तू लिए चला। तू है स्वामी तू चरवाह निगाह मुझ पे तेरी सदा। तू है स्वामी तू चरवाह निगाह मुझ पे तेरी सदा। जहाँ दिव्य सत्य की छाया वहाँ मुझे तू लिए चला।
Utmost dedication and sincerity.
solemnly swear to perform our duties to the best of our abilities and abide by the rules and regulations that govern us. We will uphold the motto of our school, virtue and knowledge.
And represents a betterment, welfareness of our school community. Self-wearing process is being done. Now the next comes here. Our cultural minister Sujata Singh, both of them, the activities, the responsibilities play a great role with various cultural programs, events to maintain in a proper way, in a systematic way, in order to function as a systematic way in our school. Now here comes cleaning minister.
School pupil leader, leading with pride. Assistant leader, standing by the side.
Here now comes the sports minister Abhinandan Kujur.
Giving their best with
And along with him also comes here the assistant minister, sports minister, the assistant sports minister, Garima Lakra. Both of them play a vital role in our friendship as a spirit of games. To have a friendship by playing games to foster a great life, a successful life towards the future. Now, here comes the Art and Craft Minister, Vikas Kumar Singh. Along with him, here also comes the Assistant Minister of Art and Craft, Varsamani Kumari.
Helping others, reaching high, touching dreams across the sky. With discipline and unity,
House always symbolizes as a rose that expresses and gives the fragrance to all over the world and even on the earth. Same way, the pink house always expresses a good brotherhood, fraternity among us. And here also comes the assistant leader of Pink House, Kripa Kachhap, to receive, to get shares by our director sir.
we are the leaders of tomorrow, standing strong and proud today.
Now here comes
And we'll serve our school. Together we'll lead the way. We are the leaders of tomorrow, shining bright in all we do. With courage, faith, and dedication.
With a profound privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks
utmost dedication and sincerity.